Hello and welcome everyone to another Python 3 basics video. In this video we are looking at writing data to a file. So you might use files to store some data and retrieve it whenever needed. There are two ways to store data to a file, and those are writing and appending. Writing to a file will write data to the file and remove whatever is present in the file. Basically anything that was present in the file is gone. And appending to a file will just add your data to the end of whatever is previously present in the file. So we'll be looking at both in this video, and in the next video we'll look at how to read this data. So let's see some examples. So let's say text equals and let's say hello bitcode and /n. So \n is used to add a new line, and this is on a new line. Now to open a file you first need a variable. So let's say file equals and then the open function. So this is a built-in function and it takes two parameters. First is the file name. So let's say example.txt, and the second parameter is the mode. So there are three main modes. First is writing, appending and reading. So W is for writing, A is for appending and R is for reading. So let's write to this file. So we'll use W, and to write use file.write, and let's write our string. So text and file.close. So make sure you close your file or it might give you some issues in the future. So let's run this, and you can see it ran without any error. And this is the script, and this is the file that it created, example.txt, and you can see it added hello bitcode, and this is on a new line in the file. Now if example.txt was not present, open will create a new file with example.txt, so you don't have to worry about that. Now let's say I change hello bitcode to apples and iPhones. So apples and iPhones, and let's run this, and it runs without any error. So let's open example.txt, and you can see it removed hello bitcode, and this is on a new line, and added apples and iPhones. So as I said, write removes all the data and then writes to the file. So if you don't want that, then we can use the mode which is A, which is the append mode. So let's change this to A, and let's write hello bitcode again, and let's run this, and you can see it runs without any error. So let's open example.txt, and you can see it appended hello bitcode again in the file. So that's the basic difference between write and append. So file.write only allows you to write strings. So let's say you want to store a list in the file. So to do that, we can use a for loop. So let's say x equals a and b, and let's write to the file. So it will remove all the previous data, and let's use a for loop. A in x, file dot write a, and we'll also need a new line after that. So file dot write and \n. So file.write will print a first and then use the \n to create a new line, and then write b and then create a new line. So let's run this and see what it does. So let's open our file, and you can see it added a and b on new lines. So this is one way of writing list to a file, and the other way is to use pickle. Now to use pickle, we'll need to import it first. So let's say import pickle, and let's say we have x equals a and b again, and we'll need to open a file. So file equals open the file name, so we say pickle.txt, and then the write mode. So write has three different modes. First is write, which is used to write to a file, then w plus, which is write and read to a file, and wb, which is write in binary. And similar to write, append also has three modes. A is for appending, a plus is for appending and reading, and ab is to append in binary. So we'll look at wb, which is write in binary. Now to use pickle, you will need to use the wb mode or it will show us an error. So after you open the file, you use pickle.dump to write to the file. So pickle.dump takes two parameters. First is the list or dictionary or any tuple, and second is the variable in which your file is open. So x is our list and file is the variable in which our pickle.txt is open. So pickle.dump and file.close. So let's run this, and you can see it runs without an error. So let's open our file pickle.txt. So pickle.txt stores a list or any other collection of data in bytes, so you cannot read it. But when we read this, it will give us a list back. So the difference between using a for loop and pickle is a pickle stores the list as it is. It will store it as a list. But with file.write, we need to use for loops and store the data as strings. So now we know how we can write or append data to a file. The next video will be about how to read data from a file. So that concludes this video. Hope you guys are able to understand these tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you liked it, and until next time.